As we sat there at our first Harvest Host day of this trip, finally out of Florida and officially on the road again, it gave us a chance to slow down and really take it all in. Not just where we were going, but everything this journey still has ahead of us. From there, we made our way back towards Tony's hometown in Georgia, spending time with family and soaking in moments that felt both familiar and bittersweet at the same time. But the road always has a way of reminding us that no matter how carefully you plan, you never really know what's waiting around the next turn. Tornado warnings surrounded us while we were there, and before we knew it, we were dealing with another unexpected challenge. And just when you thought Georgia couldn't surprise us anymore, our final stop in the state brought something we definitely weren't expecting: snow. We continue our journey through Georgia and find out pretty quickly that this trip north is going to be anything but ordinary.
All right, you guys, we made it to JoNina's Farm here in Ochalochnee, Georgia.
I think.
Try to say that 3 times in a row. But it is absolutely beautiful, you guys. This is our view out the back window of the camper. There's Raja and Kenai. This is a citrus farm. They also have bees. I don't know if you can see it from here, but they got some bees. Look at that bird. What is that?
Some sort of hawk.
Yeah, that's beautiful. So yeah, you guys, this is the farm.
It's a Harvest Host. So if you're not familiar with the Harvest Host program, you should take a look. What it does is it allows you pay an annual fee, and then it allows you 1 free night at any one that's considered a Harvest Host. And then what they do is they ask you to support the business with a $30 or more purchase. We love it because it's always, we've never had a bad experience with Harvest Host. We use them frequently, and you get great products from local businesses, and you get to support some small local businesses. So check it out for sure.
Where we're starting a new project. So we've got
You're okay.
avocado, peach, ginger, turmeric.
Avocado, ginger and turmeric as well.
We got ginger, turmeric, chestnut. These are chestnut starters. Ginger and turmeric starters. And these are going to be strawberries.
Strawberries
are coming next week. And those are pine trees.
Those are pine trees.
Georgia pine. That's the start of a Georgia pine, you guys.
Friday.
Check this out, you guys. Wow.
Oh my.
Woo, it smells great.
It does. It smells so like fresh
it
and
does.
alive.
Wow. Damn.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, they're beautiful. And what can you use these for?
Eat them.
Just eat them just like that?
Yeah.
You can eat the peel and
I'll let you
everything.
try one.
All right, awesome.
Peeling and everything.
Peel and
The
everything.
peeling is
I
the
think it
most.
tastes like fruit.
That's the most nutrition comes out of the peeling.
Mmm,
Yeah.
Isn't that something?
that's delicious.
Isn't that something?
That's so unique.
Yeah. I think it kind of tastes like Fruit Loops almost.
It
Yeah,
does.
it does. Yeah, it does. Yep.
A lot healthier than fruit
Yeah,
loops, though.
definitely.
Oh yeah, that is nothing but pure orange.
Yes, it is good. Yeah, we're totally good. The clip of us at Maryland chicken. It's pretty good.
Well, what they did was
So we have made it to JoNina's Farm, at a beautiful farm, right on a lake. And she has a bunch of cool things to buy here: honey, marmalades, jellies, some cool like freezer dried oranges. But right now I want to talk about our setup as we are boondocking which we commonly find ourselves in boondocking situations when going to Harvest Host or cracker docking or staying overnight at a Bass Pro Shop. We had to stay a few nights, I think a year ago, in a Bass Pro Shop, like 4 or 5 nights, running from a hurricane. So this is what I use for my power source. That is my Gen Max 7250. It's a bunch of gnats out here. Yeah, it's got a 50 amp plug in. I absolutely love that generator. It is quiet. It runs both of my ACs, so it keeps the camper nice and cool when we're in warmer weather. It can run my whole unit. And up front, we stopped and put about 2/3 worth of water inside of the fresh tank. So we filled the fresh tank to 2/3. That's all we need for one night of stay. But yeah, this is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful farm. Just one of the perks, man, from full-time RVing. You get to check out some cool places all over this beautiful nation. So I'll come here and show you. I think we got the ACs going. There's Rajah and Kenai. And right now we have it. It's about 76 in here. Usually a lot cooler in the bedroom. A cool 73 in the bedroom. With Jinx chilling on the bed. So yeah, you guys, we're here for one night. Good morning, you guys. So we are getting ready to leave here at JoNina's Farm here in Tobesofkee. I can't pronounce it. It's a hard word to pronounce. But it's real close to Thomasville, Georgia. And we're headed to Arrowhead State Park off of Lake Tobesofkee in Macon, Georgia, or Lazelle, Georgia. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Let's go. Well, what's up, you guys? Just left JoNina's Farm.
JoNina's Farm, yeah.
In Tobesofkee.
All right.
Tobesofkee.
We're so sorry if you're from this town. We have butchered the name of this town the entire time. I'm so sorry.
And I'm from Georgia, so we mess up our words anyway. You know, we speak our own dialect down here. So yeah, it was a very cool experience, very peaceful. Really enjoyed it.
Absolutely. It always feels kind of like family with the Harvest Host. Everywhere we've been welcomed and would love to go back. We keep checking off these boxes of absolutely we have to go back, and it's like, well, there's so much more to see, but there's so many of these Harvest Hosts that we definitely would go back to.
So yeah, it's a very, very cool place in Georgia.
Super quiet, super relaxing. We had a nice big fire last night and just sat by the lake and listened to the animals and listened to the fire. It was absolutely peaceful all night long. Thank you.
Yeah, they get babies. Yeah, they sure are.
So this you have to put to the post.
Okay,
Just
to the
prop
post.
this one in the camper.
Okay.
Stick it to the window. These are your car passes.
Gotcha.
Okay, okay.
So you do in that one. Just the second road to your right, and I gave you the map so that way you kind of know how to get to it.
Okay.
Man, Georgia parks are just so beautiful because they have such amazing terrain, and like the sites look to be, you know, large. They have a great sitting area. You know, sometimes you get a site that, you know, is long enough, but it's not very wide, and you don't really have anywhere to sit and enjoy it. Where so far, our experience in Georgia, the parks have all been, you know, really amazing opportunity to just sit outside and take in nature, which is something I really enjoy doing.
Well, you guys, we just got woke up out of our sleep to a tornado warning. We are currently in Macon, Georgia, and Lake Tobesofkee, and that was scary. I don't know if you guys can pick up those sirens going off, but I'm well familiar with those. Being from Georgia, that's not a sound you want to wake up to. But I think we're safe. We got the cat packed up. The dogs are ready to go. I think we missed it though. I think it's went past us.
If anyone
from what we're seeing.
Tuning in, and you guys have any reports that you are able to text
What you think, mate?
Please let me know. But only do it
nothing. Sorry, I was listening. They had a confirmed tornado on the ground near Warner Robins, is what he just said. But it's past us at this point.
Yeah.
Expires, feel free to go outside and take a look.
Where are we on now?
Anything that you can see outside, I'm really keeping my fingers crossed that there's not
much
in the way of hopefully down trees and such.
Yeah, we're close to La Zella. Yeah, that's scary. We'll send some prayers up for everybody in the Warner Robins area. We'll get back with you guys. Well, this is the aftermath. Forgot to tie them up last night. That would have prevented that from happening. And there's the key knife. All right, you guys, in my hometown in Monticello, Georgia. It's a little nice little coffee shop.
That's amazing.
What do you say about the coffee shop? I know, champ.
Coffee shop was adorable. The girls in there are super sweet, and the coffee was amazing. The donuts were fresh. You can't beat it. Nothing like a little hometown coffee shop.
So yeah, if you're ever in the Macon area, the La Zella area, you can check out that that campground, Arrowhead Campground.
Yeah, and the nice thing about it, it was close enough for us to drive in and go into Tony's hometown, Monticello, Georgia, and see some family. We got to really enjoy the town square. There was supposed to be a farmer's market. I was very much looking forward to it, but it was not happening the day that we were there. It might be seasonal and we just weren't aware of it, but we got to, go into Monticello, enjoy that.
What's going on, you guys?
Hey there.
Back on the road again.
We just left Lake Tobesofkee, Arrowhead Campground. We are headed to Fort Mountain State Park in Chatsworth, Georgia. It's about a little over a 4-hour ride because we don't do highways. We could have probably gotten there in about 3 hours if we had jumped on one of the interstates, but we like to stick on the state roads, so we still have about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the drive. What do you think so far?
I'm glad we didn't go through Atlanta. So, anytime I can avoid the city of Atlanta, I'm going to avoid the city of Atlanta. I like the back roads of Georgia, very scenic, very hilly. There's a lot of hills in Georgia. We heading down the road. We just passed Red Top Mountain. We headed to Chatsworth. We got about another hour drive, and we'll be there. So y'all come along with us. All right, you guys, we're at the trading post. We are in bear country. Cool as that.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to be back in Georgia because we got the annual one last time.
Yeah, we did. Man, it's been a year already, huh?
Yeah. When we arrived at Fort Mountain State Park, we had to stop at the dump station after 3 nights of boondocking, then headed to our campsite to get settled in. The campground has over 70 RV and tent sites tucked into the forest, many of which have water and electric hookups. We especially enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere and the privacy that was created by the trees and the natural layout of the campground. The roads are a little tight in places, but Tony successfully navigated our 38-foot travel trailer through them, so it definitely can be done. Located at more than 2,800 feet in the North Georgia mountains, this park offers cool temperatures, scenic views, hiking trails, and fishing. It's a great spot for camping and for exploring the area.
All right, you guys. After an amazing ride coming up this mountain, we have made it to Fort Mountain State Park here in Georgia. It is absolutely gorgeous. But we are expecting some crazy temperatures tonight and these next few days. Maybe even some snow. So stay tuned, man. This should be interesting. So what I've done, which is what I always do when a freeze is coming in, I filled up my fresh tank, and I'm gonna go out here now, and I've started the process of disconnecting my water so that we don't have anything freeze over. So yeah, you guys, this should be an interesting stay. His name in the house. That was good.
Tornado Watch 59, previously in effect until 4 a.m. EDT early this morning, is now in effect until 6 a.m. EDT early this morning for the following areas. In Georgia, this watch includes 4 counties. In northwest Georgia.
Good morning, everyone. New day at Fort Mountain State Park in northern Georgia. Had an interesting night last night. Georgia's 2 for 2 on this. So we were woken up to severe storms. Again, potential tornado warning. Watch? It was a watch. Okay. I was too busy trying to field all of the emergency warnings that were coming into my phone, talking about thunderstorms, tornadoes, freeze warning. It rained excessively, and then it started hailing. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. It still looks like it's dark because we're in the clouds, so it's foggy. It's just an interesting weather situation. I know Tony stayed up a little later than I did. I tried to go back to bed and just listen to the rain. What did you think?
Yeah, it was a little scary. Rain, and then it started hailing. You know, I'm like, okay, that's not rain, that's hail.
Yes.
And it didn't last long. Thunder, lightning. And
wind.
Yeah, a bunch of wind. Yeah, it was very, very windy. I think wind gusts up to 20, 25, 30 miles an hour. So yeah, but man, it's such a beautiful place. It really is. Like, we're up here in the mountains. Like right now, we're in the clouds.
Yeah.
We're literally riding in the clouds. So yeah, you guys, we're heading north. We're here for 4 days. Come along and take this trip with us.
Absolutely.
So glad to have you guys. Thank y'all for watching.
Thank you. As we pulled out of Fort Mountain State Park in Georgia, it felt a little different this time. Over the last 2 years, we've made memories together in some amazing places, but now we were headed toward parts of the country that we had never been before. Over the next few days, we moved fast, from Georgia to Tennessee, Tennessee to Kentucky, and finally into Indiana. 3 states, 2 amazing harvest hosts, and plenty of miles in between. When we rolled into Mound State Park, it felt a little more than just another stop. It was the first new state on this journey that we've added to our map in over a year, and a reminder of why we chose this lifestyle in the first place. The experiences, the unexpected turns, and the places that we've yet to discover are what make this journey so special. Every mile reminds us that there's still so much of this country left to see, and we're just getting started. Thanks for traveling with us. Until next time, remember, life's a trip. Let's take it together.
Just me and you, tripping with the Thurmans, living dreams we pursue.